Once I started with you, I could palpably feel that this is home. Your passion, your energy, you're coming from your heart and soul, and you give 100% every time.
I think this has been the best course that I've attended, and I should say that you guys are like over generous. इतना material कौन देता है? कौन देता है इतना material? क्यों? And I think I asked you also, why are you giving you so much things? This is like your, this is your USP, and you're just giving it up.
Personally for me, because we all need to go through that transformation, it has been, I lost my job in February, okay? And I've always been a high achiever, so mentally it struck me very hard. I lost my confidence and I went into depression. Your session restructured and rewired my DNA, right? I came out of it and I got a job. Today I have a job. The dedication of the trainers, the dedication of the gurus and the coaches makes a lot of difference, because that becomes your support system. Okay. And for me as a person, it's not, to get my trust, it's not very easy, because I really look for genuinity and recommendations, where we want to take this journey ahead.
I have suffered through a lot when it comes to urticaria. My lifestyle had changed completely. Okay. You've gotten that back to me. Like, trust me, you've brought my life back to me, because it was practically living on medicines thrice a day, and to today, where I'm not having any allergy medicines at all. So yes, thank you so much.
Joined the course because it offered a complete solution for all the problems, seemed to be like for all the problems, and combining all the different techniques, that's what attracted me to join this course.
Thank you so much, Amay and Pankaj, for this wonderful teaching. Like, I would love to continue this as a personal practice lifelong, and also take it to wherever I go. So I'm really looking forward to the guidance and for all the support from you and your team. And thank you so much for all the valuable knowledge that you've kind of very patiently, like not getting angry, not getting irritated with the 100 questions that we all come up with, to be so patient, and somewhere that we can see that that connection and that groundedness in both of you, that okay, something for us also as people to learn in what we do. Because sometimes when a client comes and asks me, I'm like, no, you're doing this wrong, you're doing that, and all of that, right? But there's so much that I have personally learned from both of you. So thank you so much. I'm really looking forward to being on this path.
The whole thing also helped me rebuild relationships, with which I was finding it very difficult and how to do that. But it just simplified things for me.
I was struggling with some weight issues with the menopause and all, and your quite a few of your techniques was my hands-on technique now to go for it. Definitely connecting with grounding myself, connecting with the quantum consciousness, as well as ERT is definitely whenever I'm down, I like my go-to.
It was a wonderful journey. I'm very clear now about how to go about in this journey. It's all thanks to you.
So yesterday, when I was during the meditation that you got us to do, I think there are a couple of visualizations that I had about my best self, how the best version of me would look like. And it used to stop at a certain stage when I used to do it till yesterday. But yesterday during the meditation session you got us to do, the movie continued. So the movie had many more versions of it and many more scenes coming in. So it expanded a lot.
What you brought in this NQH healing was exactly what I was looking for. It had with scientific backup, with the scientific explanation, psychology integrated, the energy work, and the quantum work, which was actually I was looking for. First of all, I would like to, congratulate both Dr. Amay and Pankaj, that your coordination is perfect. I mean, the way you take the class, I don't know how you are so well coordinated.
Thank you, Team Mahindra, for giving us this opportunity to do this particular integrated healing, because there are so many healing modalities available in the kind of market, I would say. To integrate them all, because we are always confused which modality to go and all that. So to integrate all and bring under one roof is a Herculean task, and you all have achieved it very well. You all have conducted the sessions so well. You all have given us personal attention and also helped us with practical case study solving. So that was the best part of it.
Neurochakra quantum healing helped me identify a lot of hidden things in me. And on the physical level, I do have psoriasis. So throughout the 2 weeks, my psoriasis has reduced a lot. Honestly, I had not set in an intention for it, but my only intent at the start of the course was it brings out the highest and the best good in me. So I have been getting a lot of good job opportunities also. Samne se I am not doing any active search. People are sending me messages, you apply here, you apply there. So I'm getting it actively. So maybe universe is bringing things to me. I just have to act on it.
I have done few other courses with few other masters, like after same kind of Instagram ads. The major difference I saw with you two is you have the real intention to make us a healer. It is not that you're selling any course. It is from my bottom of my heart. I'm telling the course material which you share with us, the information, the amount of information you share, the authenticity that you have when you share the information with us, no? It is like I've not seen with many other masters who do online courses these days.
Talking about it's a process and a progress, yes, because I do a lot of manifestation, but it happened after I did your program, so I will give that much credit to you all because you have been shifting and we are releasing.
I knew nothing about healing, nothing, zero. So it was one amazing day where I went to school and there were a lot of complaints. So I came back home. My son hit another child with a bottle and it was bad. I didn't know what to do. As usual, I'm like, hey Bhagwan, what the hell do I do now? And I was cursing everything around me. Then I said, positive mentality. And then I took the Instagram, reels from nowhere, you both just popped up, okay? And then I'm like, and then I see master class, 99 rupees. I said, kya jata hai? Karte 99 rupees. Okay.